How to see recently deleted story on Instagram new update. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application and it will lead you directly to your homepage, right? Now, all you have to do is to make sure that you have created a story here. So let's say you want to post it as your story and then tap on done and post it as your story. Tap on share here and tap on done. Now let's just wait for it to be uploaded. Now go back here to your story. Now it's done uploading. On the bottom part, you'll see more or the three dots there. Tap on that and tap on delete. And here, tap on delete both. So Instagram has this new feature actually that it will save all your deleted actions to your Instagram. So what you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see profile icon there. Tap on that. And then on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there. Tap on that again and go to settings. So under settings, what you want to do next is to go here, to go to your activity here. Now, what you want to do next is to focus on removed and archived content here and tap on recently deleted. And as you can see here, you have now seen your recently deleted story on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.